Hello dear students, we were discussing statistics. In the last video we have seen how to find standard deviation for ungrouped data. Today we can see how to find standard deviation for grouped data, that is for discrete frequency distribution and for continuous frequency distribution. Before going to the video, please do subscribe to our channel. Standard deviation for discrete frequency distribution. Very simple. As in the case of mean deviation about mean for a discrete frequency distribution, we can say variance sigma square is equal to 1 by capital N into sigma Fi into xi minus x bar square. Here capital N is the sum of the frequencies, that is sigma Fi, and x bar is the mean, where x bar is equal to, for discrete frequency distribution, sigma xi into Fi by capital N. And for continuous frequency distribution, same formula, there xi will become midpoint of each class interval. We can see example, then it will be clear. Then y will be standard deviation, sigma is equal to square root of these values. Example, find the variance and a standard deviation for the following data. Data is given here, discrete frequency distribution. So we can write the formula. Variance or sigma square is equal to 1 by capital N into sigma Fi into xi minus x bar square, I from 1 to n, where x bar is equal to 1 by n into sigma xi into Fi. We know capital N is equal to sigma Fi. We can make the table xi Fi. To find mean, we need sigma xi into Fi. So we can find xi into Fi. After getting mean, we can find xi minus x bar square. If you want, you can make one more column xi minus x bar. No need of that. Then Fi into xi minus x bar square. After finding this, you can get a sigma square. Write the given values xi and Fi. 4, 8, 11, 17. We know capital N is equal to sigma Fi. Find this sum. It will be equal to 30. N equal to 30. Now xi into Fi, that is this column into this column. 4 into 3, 12. 8 into 5, 40. Now to find mean, we need sigma xi into Fi, that is sum of the values in this column. Find the sum. It will be equal to 420. So we can write x bar, mean is equal to 1 by 30 into 420, which is equal to 14. So mean is equal to 14. Now we can find xi minus x bar square. Xi minus x bar, that is 4 minus 14, that is minus 10. Square is equal to 100. Here 8 minus 14, that is minus 6. Square is equal to 36. Like that, find all the values. Minus 3 square, 9. Next, Fi into xi minus x bar square, that is this column into this column. 3 into 100, 300. 5 into 36, 180. Next, we need sum of the values of this column, that is 300 plus 180 plus 81 plus etc. That is, we will get 1374. Now sigma square or variance is equal to 1 by capital N is 30. 30 into 1374, which is equal to 45.8. Now standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of sigma square, positive square root, that we will get, which is equal to 6.77. You can use calculator. Next example, we have a continuous frequency distribution. Calculate mean, variance and a standard deviation for the following distribution. So the formula for variance is sigma square is equal to 1 by capital N into sigma fi into xi minus x bar square, I from 1 to n. And x bar is equal to 1 by capital N into sigma xi into fi. Capital N is equal to sigma fi. So first we can make the table. We can write the given class, frequency fi, and the midpoint of this class xi. Then we can write xi into fi to find mean. After getting mean, xi minus x bar square, then fi into xi minus x bar square. This all data we need. Write the given data here, 30 to 40. We can write xi, midpoint of each class. Here 35, 45, 55. Next xi into fi, that is 35 into 3, 45 into 7, like that. Write the values. So we have xi into fi. Find its sum. Sigma xi into fi. It will be 3100. And what is sigma fi? Total frequency. N is equal to 50. So we can write x bar is equal to 1 by 50 into sigma xi fi. That is 3100. Which will be equal to 62. So we have get mean. We have to find mean. Next variance. We need xi minus x bar square. That is 35 minus 62 square. Like that, write fi into xi minus x bar square. That is this column into this column. 3 into 729. 7 into 289. Like that, write all values. Next, find the sum of these values. It will be 150. Next, variance sigma square is equal to 1 by 50 into 150, which is equal to 201. So variance is 201 and a standard deviation sigma is equal to positive square root of variance, which is equal to 14.18. Here for calculation you have calculator, but be cautious about each and every values. So this is all about today. See you in the next video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, save and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.